making 3 sexy alcohol-free cocktails with Triple Sexy. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this video, and make sure to stay till the end for a surprise. First up, we're starting off strong with the Pegu Club. This is a virgin-based cocktail that tastes as good as it looks. Let's go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of Sexy F's Virgin, half an ounce of Triple Sexy, 1 ounce of orange juice, or more depending on how strong you like your cocktails, half an ounce of fresh lime juice, a 1/4 ounce of Grenadine for taste, and a dash of orange flower water. This step is optional. Now shake all your ingredients together in a cocktail shaker halfway filled with ice, and strain into a martini glass. And there you have a sexy Pegu Club. Cheers! Second up, we have a Milo cocktail. This is a berry-flavored cocktail that'll blow your mind. Let's go ahead and add 4 raspberries into our cocktail shaker and muddle until you can smell the aroma. Now let's add a scoop of ice and 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. Now we simply substitute the alcohol with Sexy AF. Let's go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of virgin, half an ounce of Triple Sexy, and a 1/4 ounce of AperTease. We just recently rebranded our AperTease, so go ahead and check it out on our website, sexyofspirits.com. Shake for 20 seconds or until chilled. Now strain into your martini glass. Last but not least, garnish with a couple raspberries, and there you have a sexy Milo cocktail. Last but not least, we have a Maiden Blush Martini. This has just the right balance of sweet and sour, and is sure to make your mouth water. Let's mix together 2 ounces of virgin, 1 ounce of Triple Sexy, half an ounce of Grenadine, and 2/3 an ounce of lemon juice. Make sure it's fresh. Shake until chilled, and strain into a martini glass. And there you have a Virgin Maiden Blush Martini. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and tap that subscribe button for more videos like this. If you don't want to miss out on all things sexy, make sure you tap that little bell icon. And follow our social media handles, @SexyofSpirits and SexyofSpiritsPride. Head on over to our website, sexyofspirits.com, and sign up to our newsletter to get a free copy of our new and improved recipe book, valued at $25. This will include over 100 pages of sexy recipes like these. If you'd like the chance to win a 375 milliliter bottle of Triple Sexy, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tell us what your favorite alcohol-free cocktail is in the comment section below. Cheers!